guys, welcome to Revin Auto 717. On my way to work right now. I just wanted to do a quick little video. My wife and I went on vacation to Aruba and had a wonderful time, and I'm just going to do a quick little video just about our kind of trip. It was really fun. Prices weren't too bad. Food was a little expensive, but everything else was really good. We went horseback riding, rented side-by-sides, and did like a 4-hour tour of the island. The beaches were really nice, very kid-friendly. We brought our 1.5-year-old, so it was really fun. So I definitely would recommend it. So this video is just going to have a little bit of the Aruba trip thrown in, and then also going to do a little update on the golf cart. We changed a couple things. Well, I should say my buddy changed a bunch of stuff. I did a video before this one about the golf cart, how we were changing stuff, and we changed, he changed quite a bit. I got some tires and wheels for it. I got a bunch of stuff on order. So part of the video is just going to be blabbing about the Aruba trip, and then also the other part's going to be showing the golf cart. So now I'm back at my garage, and I apologize, it's really a mess. So now here's just a couple pictures of what my buddy was able to do while I was gone. And then hopefully this week I will be able to go over there and get some more video of us working on the golf cart. So here's just a couple pictures of the front end. We actually did, we were talking on the phone while I was on vacation, and we did change the front end. Since you saw it in the first video, we stretched it a little bit farther, and also he was able to start working on the actual front body, the way it's going to look. So we have a couple ideas, and I'll show you a picture of what we're going after, and just kind of doing a small version of it. So yeah, I appreciate it. I know this video is probably not the most exciting video, but just a little. I thought you guys would like just to see the vacation. So have a good one, guys, and enjoy the couple pictures here. And bye.